Hi, I'm Jordan Brinkworth, the editor of Art Etcetera magazine. It's a publication that looks to unify a host of different artists, from crafters to photographers and sculptors, every month. I decided to create a platform that included not only a diverse range of artists, but aspiring artists, to give them an authentic platform. And it kind of just evolved from there, really. I approached the economic development team in the hope that we could digitalize all the magazines in a much newer, refined format. Previously, they were being sent out in PDF format. Now, a lot of magazines do that, but I wanted something more innovative, and the team helped guide me toward then the Shared Prosperity Fund, and with that I was able to hire a freelance developer, and they were able to create for me the archive that you can see here, and I'm pleased to say it looks great. I'm really happy with how it's been done.
My name's Dan Morgan. I started working with Art Etcetera in the first edition of the magazine as a photographer, and then thanks to the Shared Prosperity Fund, I was able to be hired by Jordan to work on the digital version. So it's always good to see the Shared Prosperity Fund having a good effect on the local businesses, especially within South Wales.
In terms of next steps, at the moment it's really trying to boost the digital version of the magazine to as many, get it out there to as many people as possible. The beauty of the digital magazine is now that we can reach a broader audience. I would like to keep Dan, who I contracted to build the magazine. I'd like to keep him on a permanent basis. We've had some brilliant artists in the magazine, and I would like, for their works to be more widely seen. And if we could stock in more galleries, shops, then that would be brilliant. Without the Shared Prosperity Fund, I would have been totally unable to digitalize the printed version of our magazine, and also get a creative on board to do that. And that was a brilliant experience to have someone work alongside me and also be so passionate about the magazine. I wouldn't change it for the world now, and I'm really happy with how things have gone.